Ever pondered over the intellectual capacity of your tiny furry friends, Chihuahuas and Hamsters? Well, you're in the right place to satisfy that curiosity. Allow us to guide you on an enlightening journey where we'll uncover the surprising intelligence of these diminutive creatures, often underestimated due to their small size, Chihuahuas and Hamsters. What could these two possibly have in common, you ask? Besides their small stature and their ability to fit snugly in the palm of your hand, these creatures share something more profound. They are both gifted with a unique intelligence that's often overshadowed by their adorable appearances. In this video, we'll be exploring the minds and behaviors of these two fascinating species, revealing the brilliance that lies behind those cute little eyes. We'll take you on a captivating journey, showing you that the world of animals is far richer and more complex than we often give it credit for. Our journey begins with the Chihuahua. Known as the smallest breed of dog in the world, don't let their size fool you. These tiny canines are packed with personality and intelligence that can rival even the larger breeds. Their alertness, quick learning abilities, and inherent curiosity make them exceptional companions and learners. Next, we'll venture into the world of the hamster. Yes, those fluffy balls of fur you often see running tirelessly on their wheels. They're not just mindlessly spinning in circles. In fact, hamsters showcase a keen sense of direction, remarkable memory, and surprising problem-solving skills, making them much more than just cute pets to watch in their cages. So buckle up, sit tight, and get ready to have your mind blown by the surprising intellect of these adorable creatures. We'll take you through a journey of discovery, challenging what you thought you knew about these small animals. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating world of these tiny creatures. Let's unravel the mysteries and unleash the intelligence within our beloved Chihuahuas and Hamsters. Here's to celebrating the small but mighty heroes of the animal kingdom. Scene script. Chihuahuas, the tiniest dogs in the world, are they merely cute, or is there more than meets the eye? Let's dive into some tales that highlight the genius of these pocket-sized pups. You might be surprised to know that Chihuahuas possess an uncanny ability to understand human emotions. It's been observed that these little dogs can sense when their human companions are feeling down and respond in ways that are incredibly comforting. They may snuggle up to you, wag their tail, or even give you those irresistible puppy eyes. They seem to instinctively know how to provide emotional support when it's most needed. That's a level of empathy that's quite remarkable, wouldn't you agree? But that's not all. Chihuahuas have a memory that could put an elephant to shame. They remember people, places, and experiences with astonishing clarity. So, if you've ever wondered why your Chihuahua gets excited when you take a particular turn on your walk, it's probably because they remember a fun encounter or a favorite smell from a previous stroll. Their ability to recall past events is a testament to their keen intelligence. Moreover, Chihuahuas are problem solvers par excellence. They are known to figure out ways to reach high places or sneak into rooms they're not supposed to enter. Their determination and resourcefulness in overcoming obstacles can be quite astounding. It's almost as if they enjoy the challenge and revel in the satisfaction of a puzzle solved. So, next time you see a Chihuahua, remember that there's a lot going on behind those adorable, twinkling eyes. These pint-sized pups are not just masters at stealing hearts with their cuteness, but they're also adept at surprising us with their smarts. These pint-sized pups are more than just adorable faces. Their cognitive abilities are truly remarkable. Hamsters are favorite among pet lovers, but how intelligent are these small creatures? Well, let's take a moment to unravel the fascinating world of these tiny, fluffy beings. You might be surprised to learn that hamsters are more than just cute faces. They possess an impressive level of intelligence that often goes unnoticed. Firstly, hamsters have exceptional navigational skills. These little adventurers can find their way through mazes and tunnels with ease, thanks to their sharp memory. They remember their paths based on smell and touch, which is quite a feat for creatures of their size. Their keen sense of direction allows them to navigate their habitat and find their food, even in the dark. And speaking of food, hamsters have an uncanny ability to remember complex routes to their food sources. They can recall the exact path taken to reach a food source, and will follow the same route every time. This demonstrates their spatial awareness and problem-solving skills, which are quite advanced for such small creatures. But that's not all. Hamsters are also known for their clever escape tactics from cages. You may have encountered stories of hamsters who have managed to break free from their cages in the most ingenious ways. They are persistent and creative problem solvers. If there's a way out, trust a hamster to find it. These examples of intelligence go to show that hamsters are more than just simple pets. They are capable of complex thought processes and behaviors that we often underestimate. They are tiny, but mighty, with brains that are just as impressive as their adorable looks. So next time you see a hamster running on its wheel or munching on a treat, remember, there's a lot more going on in that tiny head than you might think. These small creatures are not just about running on wheels and munching on treats. They have an impressive level of intelligence. Clearly, these little furballs are not just about running on wheels and munching on treats. They have an impressive level of intelligence. Now that we've explored the intelligence of both Chihuahuas and hamsters, how do they stack up against each other? When we think of intelligent creatures, we often look to the larger mammals, forgetting the tiny geniuses that live right in our homes. Chihuahuas and hamsters, small in size but vast in cognitive abilities, are prime examples of this. Both these creatures exhibit distinct types of intelligence that will leave you astounded. Chihuahuas, known for their perky ears and expressive eyes, exhibit an impressive emotional intelligence. They are remarkably adept at reading their owner's emotions and responding accordingly. If you're feeling blue, your Chihuahua is likely to snuggle up to you, offering comfort in their own unique way. They are also excellent problem solvers, often figuring out how to open doors or get to that delicious treat you thought you'd hidden away. On the other hand, we have hamsters, the petite powerhouses of spatial intelligence. Their ability to navigate mazes and remember routes is truly remarkable. These tiny creatures can remember their way around complex mazes, even after a long period of time. Their small size does not limit their mental prowess, as they are capable of solving puzzles and recognizing patterns with ease. And let's not forget the social intelligence of these creatures. Chihuahuas, being pack animals, are excellent at communicating with other dogs and humans. They use a range of signals, from tail wagging to barking, to express their feelings and desires. Hamsters, though solitary by nature, are capable of recognizing their owners and responding to their voice, showing a level of social awareness that is quite extraordinary. What's more, both these animals demonstrate a remarkable ability to adapt to new environments and situations. Whether it's a Chihuahua learning new tricks or a hamster figuring out a new wheel, their ability to learn and adapt is a testament to their intelligence. It's evident that both Chihuahuas and hamsters have their unique intelligence traits, making them both fascinating in their own right. So the next time you look at your tiny furry friend, remember, there's more going on in their little heads than you might think. So, what have we learned about the intelligence of Chihuahuas and hamsters? We've journeyed through the fascinating world of pet intelligence, deep diving into the cognitive capabilities of Chihuahuas and hamsters. The takeaways? Both of these seemingly different creatures possess a remarkable level of intelligence, each in their own unique way. Let's take a moment to recap. We discovered that Chihuahuas, despite their small stature, are capable of complex thought processes. They are quick learners, able to pick up new commands swiftly and effectively. Their emotional intelligence is also impressive. They are attuned to their owner's feelings and moods, responding with empathy and companionship. Now, let's not forget our tiny furball friends, the hamsters. Often underestimated, these small creatures have shown us that size doesn't determine intelligence. They've demonstrated an exceptional knack for spatial learning and memory. Their ability to navigate complex mazes and remember routes is truly astounding. More than this, both Chihuahuas and hamsters exhibit social intelligence. They are capable of forming deep bonds with their human companions, and even with each other. They communicate in ways we're only beginning to understand, using a combination of sounds, body language, and even scent. In sum, we've learned to appreciate the intelligence of our pets in a whole new light. We've seen how Chihuahuas and hamsters are not just cute companions, but intelligent beings, with their own unique ways of understanding and interacting with the world. And why is this important? Well, understanding the intelligence of our pets deepens our bond with them. It allows us to better cater to their needs, enriching their lives as well as ours. But more than that, it reminds us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the myriad ways in which intelligence can manifest. Remember, the next time you look at your Chihuahua or hamster, know that there's a lot more going on in their tiny heads than you might think.